Hello everyone, I am from Nature here, and in this video I will show you how to find the serial number for your laptop, PC or desktop without needing to check the device. Here's how you can do it using the command prompt. Let us begin on the search bar, open command prompt, type command prompt, this one. Then right click, run as admin or confirm by clicking yes. Run as admin, confirm yes. The command prompt, type this simple code, this one, copy, then paste, Ctrl V. After this, press enter. Yes, this displayed value is your PC or desktop serial number. That is it. This method is easiest way to find your laptop or desktop serial number. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for helpful content. See you in the next video.